Welcome back to the Lucid Air Learning Series. In this video, we're going to show you your vehicle's onboard navigation app. You never have to worry about losing your way or unexpectedly running out of battery with Lucid's onboard navigation app, which provides turn-by-turn directions to wherever you want to go. Lucid's navigation app is completely integrated with your vehicle, so it's a reliable partner for measuring your range relative to your route and finding the best route to your destination. To optimize every route, navigation uses the latest road and traffic information, outside temperature, and factors unique to your vehicle, like your speed, climate settings, and current battery level. As a result, you get routes with more relevant and usable information than you would with apps that aren't integrated with your vehicle. To start, you can set up and use the home and work shortcuts on the right cockpit panel for fast and easy navigation to your most common destinations. To access the full navigation app, tap the arrow on the right cockpit panel. The application will open to your current location. You can switch between regular and satellite maps and display live traffic by tapping the gear button and adjusting the toggles. There are several ways to search for a destination. First, you can invoke Alexa to ask for directions to a specific place or for help finding points of interest nearby. Just say, "Alexa, find directions to," followed by the name of your destination. Next, you can tap the magnifying glass to open the search panel. Tap the search bar and you will see a list of past destinations you can choose from with a quick tap. If you want to route somewhere new, type the name or address in the search bar. You can also tap a category shortcut to find those types of destinations nearby. Tap a point of interest to see details like address and business hours, and if available, photos and ratings from TripAdvisor before finding a route. The navigation app also makes it easy to find the nearest charging station. You can easily see live availability and even filter by brand to help you find stations operated by Lucid's charging partner. Once you've confirmed your destination, the map will zoom out and display an overview of up to 3 proposed routes, each of which will be optimized for convenient charging with suggested stops along the way. Tap your preferred route, then tap Go to get on your way. Even if you change apps and your route is no longer displayed, the navigation widget on the center cockpit panel will tell you where to turn next. If you decide you'd like a quieter cabin without audio guidance, you can tap the mute button on the right cockpit panel. And if you deviate from your route, don't worry. Navigation will recalculate and re-optimize your route. To end the route, tap End or tell Alexa to cancel navigation. You have the option to download maps so you can continue using navigation if you're in offline mode or driving with limited connectivity. To enter offline mode, tap the gear button, Navigation Settings, Offline Mode, and turn the offline mode toggle on. To download maps, tap Offline Maps, Download Maps, and select the maps you want to download. You can download as many as you like, and all your downloaded maps will display here. To delete a downloaded map, tap Edit, then tap the Delete button. In our next Lucid Air Learning Series video, we'll show you how your vehicle can receive regular software updates over the air and walk you through the software update process.